Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are very fine. Students, today we are going to discuss 11th chapter, Area and its Boundary of your Mathemagic Class 5 textbook. But before moving ahead, I want you to recapitulate what you have earlier studied in chapter 3, How Many Squares? Yes, you have studied about the perimeter and area, and you can find out the area and the perimeter of the figures in squares. Isn't it? Yes. Students, the objective of my videos is, but before moving ahead, I want you to solve one word problem. Once Uncle John came to Sonia's house and gave her 2 chocolates and told her that, Sonia, these are 2 chocolates. The bigger chocolate is for you and the smaller one is for your brother. But Sonia got really confused that which of the chocolate is bigger. Now we are going to help her out. Students, look at these 2 chocolates. There are 2 chocolates, A and B. First take out the chocolate A. In this chocolate, you can see there are 5 chocolates in its length and 2 chocolates in its width. So students, if you could make out, the area of the chocolate is 10 square centimeter. And if we look at the chocolate B, there are 4 blocks in its length and 3 blocks in its width. The area of this chocolate is 12 centimeter square. And if we compare both of the chocolates, we can make out the area of the chocolate A is 10 centimeter square and area of chocolate B is 12 centimeter square. So, can you make out which chocolate is for Sonia and which is for her brother? Yes, you are right. Chocolate B is for Sonia and chocolate A is for her brother. But students, this is the problem which you have studied is only by drawing the boxes in it. But what could be done if you are asked to find out the formula, the area and the perimeter of the bigger dimensions, like of your room or of a playground? Then definitely it is going to be a problem for you. So students, we are going to find out some formulas to find out the area and the perimeter of the figures. So moving on. Students, the perimeter of a figure is the length of its outer boundary. As you can see, there is a rectangle and in a red color we can see out its perimeter. Students, the perimeter is found by adding the length of the sides together. If we move from centimeter 5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 9 is equal to 28 centimeter. Perimeter of a square. You know what is square is? Yes, a square is a figure with 4 equal sides. The perimeter can be found by adding 4 sides together. It can also be found by multiplying the sides length by 4. So the formula of the square is 4s. S means side. What is perimeter of a rectangle? What is rectangle? A rectangle is a figure with 4 sides and its opposite sides are equal. The perimeter can be found by adding all four sides together. It can also be found by adding twice the width together with the twice the length. So, the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is P is equal to 2W plus 2L or 2L plus 2W. So, if you look at the figure, its length is 12 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. 12 into 2, 24 plus 3 into 2, 6. If we add 24 and 6, we get 30 centimeter. So students, let's move ahead. The perimeter of this room is, its length and breadth is 10 centimeter. So is it a square or a rectangle? Yes, it is a square. What is the formula of a square? Perimeter of a square, 4 into side. 4 into 10, that is 40 meter. And what is the perimeter of a ground? 40 kilometer. Yes. Let's move ahead, bachcho. What is the area? The area of the region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. As you can see a square and a rectangle here. The length and width of a square are equal and the length and width of a rectangle are different. Students, the area of a square is found by multiplying its side by its length. So, the formula for the area of the square is side into side. In this figure, the side of the figure is 7 meters. So, the area is 49 meters square. And if we look at the area of a rectangle, the area of a rectangle is the product of its length and width. So, if we look at the figure here, the length of the figure is 20 millimeter and the width is 7 millimeter. So, the area will be 140 millimeter square. So, students, the area of a room is 100 square meter and the area of a playground is 100 square kilometer. If we talk about the area, we will put SQ or square for area. So students, let us summarize what we have learned. The measure of the region enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Perimeter of a closed figure is the length of its outer boundary. Area of square is equal to side into side and area of a rectangle is equal to length into width. So students, here is an assessment for you all. Answer the following question by clicking on the correct option. The area of the given rectangle is 10 centimeter square, 24 square centimeter or 12 centimeter square. Yes, you are right. 24 square centimeter. And what is the perimeter of a square if the sum of the length of its four sides? Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Okay students, this is all for the day.